What are the precautions that I need to use after a hip replacement surgery? In my hands, because I use the direct anterior approach for all my patients, आपको कोई precautions लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, which means you walk, you climb stairs, you do all activities that you have to do without any restrictions. You sleep on either side of your body, you can cross your legs, you can ride a bicycle if you have to. There are no restrictions after the direct anterior approach to a hip replacement surgery. Consult your orthopedic surgeon for more information.